Sawadee Cup, and welcome back to our Southeast Asia adventures, where we've taken a 4-hour bus ride from Phuket north into a small village called Khao Sok village. We're going to explore this quaint little town, book a bus, board a boat, and give you a sense of what to expect when booking a tour in this part of Thailand. So with that being said, welcome to Khao Sok National Park. My recommendation is to visit between the months of December and April. Go to Khao Sok village and organize your tours directly here by one of the local tour agents. It's a bit more pricier compared to other regions and experiences, but trust me when I say it is totally worth it. And it's just so lovely to get out of the busy streets of Phuket and Patong. Time to just kind of settle down a little bit. And on the street, you've got many little cool spots to go and visit and have dinner, and you can get a lot of day trips over here that go everywhere. And they do elephant sanctuary visits, rafts, tubing, wildlife. You can go see the red flower and organize everything from here. It's really, really cool. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to head to the lake, and we're going to spend a night there on the bungalows. Our van's just arrived. We're going to the lake today. We're going to meet some new people in Khao Sok Lake. Really excited for this. Let's go. Made a pit stop in one of the towns before the entrance of the national park. People are just getting some waterproof shoes, all the waterproofing rain jackets that are needed. It was then time to get our tickets and make sure that we had everything in order before we met our guide.
What's your name?
Ramos.
Ramos. This
Yeah.
is Ramos. Ramos
My
is
name
our,
Ramos, yeah.
he's our tour guide for the next couple of days. Briefly tell us, what are we going to do now?
This now we go to the pier, yeah, for by the boat.
To the pier, yeah?
Yeah, by the boat, long tail boat.
Long tail boat, and then we're going to some bungalows.
Yeah, we by the long tail boat is about 40 or 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, to the floating house bungalow.
Wow,
Yeah.
man. It's beautiful, man. And we've got our turkey. And yeah, so let's get on these long tail boats and off we go. Alright, so we just about to board our long tail boat over here. Looks like they just strapped a car engine in the back of it and made a boat. Incredible vistas all around us.
We traveled about 40 minutes on the Khao Sok Lake on these long-tailed boats, which was really a smooth ride before we saw the houses in the distance where we'd be setting up camp for the night. Everybody was very excited and morale was super high as we got excited to experience a night on Khao Sok Lake.
We just arrived in our little floating bungalow there. Everyone's very happy. The views are amazing. So we're just gonna chill out, settle in a little bit, have a swim or two, go kayaking. Took a lot longer than we expected, right?
Yeah, but we did it!
We got ya. We always do. We've got a we've got a boat over there.
It's sinking.
We've got a boat that's just draining water.
After our little kayak adventure, we bolted off to another part of the lake where we would then go on a jungle track through the greenery off the cliffside of these mountains. And whilst we're busy walking under the tree canopies, one can't help but feel this sense of time traveling, like you're going back to a prehistoric dinosaur-aged terranium. And after hanging out and monkeying around, we decided that it was eventually enough in the jungle and time to head out to the boat again. Leaves.
Right, so we just came out the Beach Cave, which means diamonds, I believe. Feels like Jurassic Park. What an amazing part of the world. Definitely a must do if you are going through Thailand. So how was Khao Sok?
Yeah, very nice. Very. The houses were nice. The food was amazing. Company could be better. check how we sit here. How much space we have.
Look at
This is like for special people.
But overall great. Thank you, Ramos.
So, if somebody asked me, should I go to Khao Sok while I'm in Thailand? My answer is absolutely.